And so whether it's for a bottle smashing, a motorcycle racing through the street, or bringing to life your favorite meme. You can try it for free at this address, or fork the repo to take it further. We're super excited to see what you'll build with the text to sound effects API.